What's up, y'all? Neil Bauman here with Parrot. We are at the Parrot headquarters. We've been working on this for about a month and a half now. Just finished the bar up. This is going to be a full-on simulated kitchen. Really, the whole space is just going to be a simulated Xactimate Mobile haven, whatever the hell you want to call it. We're going to have a fridge in the corner here, a walk-in cooler, a little simulated bar area. We'll also double as a kitchen that you can guys come in and sketch and get your practice in. Back here, we got some cool stuff. This is going to be a little simulated room. We're going to have like 3-foot walls, and it's a 10 by 10 room, I think a 10 by 12. And we're going to cut it up into like 4 or 5 little rooms so you guys can go in there and do little sketches. Little sketches, you like that? We're going to do the little sketch room. That's what we're going to call it, dude. And then obviously my office here, we just got it set up. This is where this is going to be our new studio. We're going to be shooting all of our videos in here, pumping you guys a whole bunch of content. I can't even tell you how much studio foam is on this freaking wall. We're going to get a big neon sign set up here. It just came in. We're going to get that hung up. So we're going to be able to pump you a lot more content, a lot more frequently. And we're going to start helping everyone, adjusters, contractors. I'm going to start doing more desktop training. We're going to have estimators in we're going to call it the Parrot office. And they're going to be in there running estimates all day. We're going to be broadcasting you guys a lot more simulations just to try to really help the industry out. And it's going to be a great networking space as well. Hold some events in here with some carriers, some firms, whoever you are, contractors, mitigation guys. So I just wanted to put in front of you guys, we're going to be doing our next live in-person class is going to be held July 25th. The one that is being held June 13th, that one's full right now. And we're not taking any more people on that, but the next one is going to be July 25th at this location. It'll be a full day here. I'm going to feed you. We'll hang out after at the bar. We're going to have dartboard going. Probably going to have an arcade machine, probably some Blitz 2000 going over there. And then we have a bow simulator, going to be hunting. And the mentorship is going to be happening. The mentorship will be taking place August 1st. That is a 2-month program. So keep your eyes open for that and your ears out for that. I'll put that announcement out in the more finer details coming next week. We'll pump on a little video that's kind of more dedicated to that. So really excited for this new year, guys. Really excited for this new space and to be bringing you guys a lot more content that is what you guys deserve. A lot more structured, a lot cleaner, you know. I'm finally starting to make some money and have some time so I can start dedicating to kind of knocking this channel out and making it what we want it to be. So thanks, guys, and I'll see you around.